If you have a home, you have to clean. Like, a lot. That's why we have Scentsy Clean. First, test on a small inconspicuous area of your sealed surface. For everyday messes, use Scentsy Counter Clean. This fragrant multi-purpose spray forms a dirt-repelling barrier with every use, making future grime easier to clean. For bigger chores, use Scentsy All-Purpose Cleaner Concentrate. Each bottle of concentrate makes 96 fluid ounces of grime-fighting solution to help you handle the toughest stains and buildup. Simply mix 1 part concentrate with 3 parts water. For on-the-go cleanup, use Scentsy Swipes. These disposable cleaning wipes easily take on daily messes, adding a burst of fragrance with every swipe. They're safe to use on most sealed surfaces, including porcelain and stainless steel. For soap, scum, mildew, and more, use Scentsy Bathroom Cleaner. Specially formulated without ammonia, chlorine, or bleach. This foaming spray cleans porcelain, tile, bathroom fixtures, and other non-porous surfaces. With every mess conquered, you can relax in a home that smells as clean as it looks.